Okay, so in this part, we will try to understand integration by substitution. So, what will happen? Sometimes they will give you some annoying functions, okay, and you know that you have memorized already so many formulas. Like, suppose that you know integration of sin x, but they have given you to find out integration of sin 3x, okay. So how we will handle this situation? We guys have memorized formula of sin x, but they have given you question in terms of sin 3x. So you have problem with this component 3x. So in this set of questions, what you have to do, the part which is annoying you, you have to take that thing as z. Okay. So look at this part. So what I will do, I will take z as 3x, because if I will have question sin z, I can manipulate this question by writing minus of cos z. Okay. But if you will change the function, look at this, you have taken z. So you have changed the parameter now. Now your function will become sine of z. Z is the parameter. Earlier x was the parameter. So you have to change this dx as well. Parameter also you have to change. So for that what we will do? We will differentiate both sides in terms of x. So differentiation of z will become what? Dz by dx, and differentiation of 3x will become 3. So can I write, I want to find out the value of dx. So can I write the value of dx as dz by 3? Now look at this. We will be writing dz by 3. Now you know that if anything is constant, you can take constant outside. Now look at this. Now we have question as sin z dz. Now you know the formula of sine function. The differentiation of sine function, sorry, integration of sine function was cos x. This is z, so cos z. This time we got answer in C, so we will put minus and then plus integration constant. Now look at this. They have given you question in terms of x, but you have manipulated the question and you have converted it into z. So it was your mistake. This manipulation we did for our comfort. No, this wasn't the question part. The demand of question was to integrate sine of 3x. So you have to remove the element that you guys have introduced. Now you have to remove this z. So can I replace z with 3x? Look at this. Z was 3x, na? So now you have to replace. So it is this thing plus c. For time being, what you should do, like when you will handle these kind of situations, no, you will get very much habituated with the part that directly you will integrate whatever is in the coefficient of x, you will write that number on the denominator. You can skip the whole process, but for time being, for few questions, I will be using all the steps. I hope the idea is clear. The idea is to convert annoying questions into our favorable formulas set. Okay, and then we will break that question. I hope the idea is clear and you can handle similar situations.